Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSX250R. This lightweight sport bike, twin cylinder, just arrived with only 12,000 miles, one owner, beautiful condition. It's got an awesome sounding Yoshimura exhaust, fuel injection, liquid cooled, fender eliminator. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true with this awesome Gixxer 250, only $34.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.